YouTubers, coming up on Yasmine's cooking show today, we are baking this gorgeous, mouth-watering banana bread. I want to give a special welcome to Divine Concept Group. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for supporting my vision. I want you to know that this banana bread we are about to make will be featured on the Hampton Road Show tomorrow, Thursday at 11 a.m. And I'm so excited because great things happen when we believe in ourselves, when we exercise our gifts, and when we have the guts and the audacity to kick our own doors open and let the world know we have something to say, we have something to share, especially women. And I'm so grateful for the endless possibilities. Now, if you watch all of my videos, you know I love food history. And before we get to the ingredients, I want to give an overview on the history of banana bread. Banana bread is a quick bread made without yeast, just like biscuits, muffins, pancakes, and waffles. The leavening agent involved is either baking soda or baking powder. And according to my research, banana bread first became popular during the Great Depression in the 1930s because for many, during that very difficult time in our history, baking was therapy. But the recipe was created, however, years before the Great Depression by corporate kitchens to reduce food waste and to help housewives add a nutritional boost to their baking. Hence, the banana, which is king when it comes to potassium. So, let's get started. Here's the recipe. Here's our mise en place for our banana bread. I have everything already measured. If you notice, I have the dry ingredients together and the wet ingredients together. And we're going to create the batter by using what we call the muffin method in culinary school. In the muffin method, dry ingredients are mixed in one bowl, liquids in another. Then the two are gently stirred together. It's that simple. Now I'm using a mixer, but a bowl and a spatula work just fine. Just be sure not to overmix.